I decided to come to Brick, Guatemala because my phone had become an issue. Staring at my phone from minute to minute on email, text, knowing that the opportunity to come to a new place, meet new people and have new energies would be sort of an easy way to free myself from, those digital habits.
So the purpose of this brick trip is for us to remove that digital world temporarily so that we can experience on a deeper level the outer world and the inner world.
The work that Tommy and I do is centered around the fundamental, most important area of my life at any given moment. So we start the sessions with what is your biggest win and what is your biggest challenge. And then he has just this incredible toolbox and approach to guiding that really drills into the core of what it is that you want to do.
Being in person with other people right now is an incredibly intimate experience. There is a huge amount of trust that we are putting into each other for being here and to share the things that aren't working that great and to acknowledge them and to just get real with ourselves and with each other.
He really has a talent for connecting people who are like-minded, interested in bettering themselves. And not only that, they are all incredibly open and willing to share their learnings in life with each other.
So something about putting the phone away in a box and being fully present with that other person that you're with, it creates this bond that I think maybe we lost as humans over the last decade.
One of my most favorite things was climbing the volcano together, and that in itself is a mind-blowing experience on so many levels.
How do you actually get to the top of your mountain? All you have to do is decide. You don't have to figure out how you're gonna get there. You just gotta take that one step at a time. It's process over outcome.
Camping on that volcano, sleeping in a tent together, it's just like, I can't even find words for how magical and amazing that was.
When I look back on this trip, I'm just always going to smile and know that I have a support system and a community of people who are rooting for me.
So let's take this power, this energy, and just put it into your body and make it a movement, make it an action. What action can you take that feels like freedom to you?
This has been a completely mind-blowing experience and unlike anything I had ever participated in, and frankly, far above my expectations.
It's crazy to think that we arrived like a week ago.
It was just such an immersive experience where I think we're all coming away with so much love for this country.
There was a night that Leon curated for us.
They put together a team of chefs.
Kind of give us a taste of Guatemala from coast to coast and mountain to mountain.
Ingredients with like lava, charcoal,
They gave us some amazing food experiences I'll never forget.
It was just like a culinary masterpiece.
Cocktails for each other.
This experience has fully stood out and outranked anything that I've ever been a part of before.
Arriba! Arriba!